have not already downloaded the free MyBMW or MyMini app, you really should.
This app sounds great, but how do I set that up?
Don't worry, we can go through that step by step now. Downloading it is easy. Just head to your app store to download and set up your profile. Then you'll need to find the VIN or chassis number.
Where is the VIN number?
Usually it can be found on the windscreen of most cars.
Ah.
For the next part, you'll need to sit in your car and follow the instructions on the screen step by step. Once your app is linked, you will be able to see all the information relating to your car. There are loads of ways that the app can be useful. You can send your destination straight to your vehicle, precondition the cabin temperature, flash your lights, remotely lock and unlock the car, check your range and much more. If it's easier, you're more than welcome to come in to do a key read and we can link your car to your app in only a few minutes.
You could have told me that at the start.